Alright kids, now we are at a public place, so I expect all of you to be on your best behavior. And don't go wandering off either. So stick close, kids.